Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Trade with Job. Today is 30th of June, last day of this month for trading, and it's gonna be interesting. So there was expiry on Wednesday, and I think it closed around 18,000. It's 19,000 actually, somewhere 19,000. And if you look at the expiry chart that I explained in one of the video, how to look at the expiry chart. It is actually an uptrend. Okay, it was I think before expiry was 18,800. It became now 18,000, 19,000. So it's completely an uptrend. So all these expiries from this level to this one all are uptrend. Until we get an expiry below the last week closing, I think it will be continue for uptrend, and we will have to be very sure when we are trading on selling side. Okay, so I'm option seller, mainly on short side. So we have to be very sure. So start of the month, I think it's very important for me to clear it here because it helps me to improve my learning. The start of the month, I think I have sorted 45,000. I think this is what I sorted with hedge of 45,500. Okay, so this is the area that I have already sorted as part of my trading strategy. Uh, uh, Against it, I used to sell a put, but I think from last 2 months I'm not doing it because it's low wicks. I really don't want to get into trap. I want to have one open side, so that's the reason. Okay, if I get an wicks above 10, not 10, maybe 12 around, like you can start playing with both the sides. But currently the one side has to be open in order to save you from the damage. So that's the reason 45,000 is sold. Last in this month it was 44,500. We booked a handsome profit in it. Now I shifted it to on this bounce. I shifted it to 45,000 and hedge with 45,500. Let's see how it goes. But I think it will be in profitable if you don't see any as such trend. Okay. So this out. So this is a daily chart. We are exactly at resistance point. Market is trying to go up, but it has spent a lot of time. So if you know the price action theory, if you want the market has to shift up or down, it has to spend time and then it goes very well. This is what market is trying to do. It is spend a lot of time here. Now market has to decide up or down. Okay, whatever the trend it decide, it will go for another 1,000, 2,000 points. Okay. Uh, let's see how it goes. Uh, Next, I think I'm not taking any trade for Bank Nifty now because already taken it monthly. Now looks like a Nifty. Okay, so Nifty is clear cut at lifetime high, and it is given a clear cut breakout 1, 2, 3. So if you look at this is inside candle pattern. This we already discussed many times. It was in daily. If you took a small risk here, it would have rewarded you much. I think here also it was same type, and now it's going in uptrend. So this pattern works very well. I think here also if you look at it, the inside candle, so you just have to take a small risk. It will go up. Okay, I think you'll find such inside candles many times. Uh, 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 okay, here also it form a inside candle, but it break down on lower side. But yes, yeah, look at here, inside candles, and then it came up. It's very easy trades. You just have to take a trade an inside candle. I think this is how it is. So now currently if market opens gap up, maybe it will open gap up because market has already opened. So it will open. I'm not sure where it will open. Let's see. One second. I just need to put some password. Sorry for this time lost. 1 second. My son. Check. No, no. Yeah. Okay. This is my trade. This is what I was talking about. But let's look at market now. Market has already opened, and it will be yeah, it's above 19,000 now. I don't know where it will close, but let's okay. So this is how we predict market. At least we should able to predict whether it's a gap up or gap down. It's very easy. So let's go with global market. So if you look at here, uh, Australia red, Belgium green. I think today is everything is green. Yeah, Brazil is green, Canada is green, China is green. I think Denmark, Egypt, Finland slightly red, but I think France is green, Germany is slightly red. It is flat actually. India, Indonesia, Israel, Italy. So most of the markets were closed in Japan is in red. Let's see whether we have some other triggers. Uh, okay, New Zealand, then Pakistan, Poland, Qatar, Russia. Even Russia is in green. So Singapore, South Korea. Yeah, I don't know what happened with Taiwan. Taiwan is in negative. Thailand. Let's look at US markets now. UK is in negative and US market. If you look at it, they close very strongly. Okay. Not Nifty, but Dow Jones. So might be we'll see the buying pressure on Bank Nifty, but maybe Nifty go in flat mode. Even transportation index, it's up. Yeah, so Zimbabwe. So this is how it is. Let's look at the current futures. Most of them are trading in green only. So might be will push into slightly up. Then we'll have to look for the selling opportunity on price action. So, but one thing we should know here in chart, if you look at the VIX, which is very low. So it has to go up. So even in the upper market, in the upper trend, it is slightly spiked here. Again, it came down. So one thing is common. So it will go, might be, if we go on selling side, it will raise. Okay, it might be 13, 14. Otherwise, it's very difficult for market to trade in this weeks. So we'll have to be very cautious in this case. But premiums are very low for option seller. It's nothing much. That's the reason I'm playing only one side to have one side safe. So that's how it is. I think it's very important in which market zone which strategies work, and they will have to learn. So maybe you'll wrong, but you'll have to manage your risk. And that's the part of trading. So that's it. Let's last one. Last one is the important one. I think it's very important to start reading these numbers. They're crazy numbers, but you should be familiar with. I don't know what's happening. So if you look at the put writers are taking charge here until we see some actions on winding up on put writers or we are increasing call writers. We cannot go for selling. Uh, Very important thing here. Even here also put writers are up. Mhm. Yeah. This is also put writers up. Actually, I'm trying to develop something which will get this all information. We'll have the stats. I don't know when it will be ready. Once it will be ready, I will share you. So one thing I think if you are doing market analysis, you'll have to create an expiry chart also. Might be in Excel or somewhere. So please prepare and might be it will help you. So that's all for the day. Have a profitable day and enjoy your trading. Bye.